की तो जाएगी।
Dear students, today we will discuss about photoelectric effect. It is very important topic related to electrical phenomena, and with help of this effect we will discuss about the behavior of electrons in any metallic sheet. As you already know that photo is related with photon, electric is related with electricity. Photoelectric effect is type of phenomena which related to flow of current with help of photons. Photoelectric effect is related with the flow of electric current with help of photons or any particular radiation. If we are going to explain about photoelectric effect, then we can say that emission or ejaculation of electrons from metal surface by falling photons or any particular radiation. Ejaculation or emission of electron from metal surface with help of photons or any particular radiation is known as a photoelectric effect. If a type of metal sheet is taken, if a type of metal sheet is taken, if this metal sheet is taken, if this metal sheet is taken, and if in this metal sheet, if on this metal sheet photons are strike, photons are strike, photons are strike, then ejaculation of electrons takes place. Ejaculation of electrons takes place. These are photons. Photons. Ejaculation of electrons takes place. Hence, ejaculation of electrons from metal surface with help of photons is known as a photoelectric effect. If any radiation first fall on a metal surface, then energy of photons utilized in two parts. First part of energy is used to activate electron, and second part of energy is provide kinetic energy of electron. Hence, quantum of energy which fall on a metal surface utilized in two parts, that is W is equal to W0 plus half mv square, where W0 is work function. Work function. W0 is work function. This one is the total energy. W is the total energy. This one is total energy. Total energy. W is the total energy and W0 is work function plus half mv square. This one is the kinetic energy. This one is the Ke, kinetic energy. In this way, this energy is quantum of energy, that is h nu 0, where h is the Planck constant and nu is the frequency. H nu 0 plus half mv square. Here nu 0 is threshold frequency. Nu 0 is threshold frequency. Nu 0 is threshold frequency. In this way, during photoelectric effect, energy which fall on a metal surface utilized in two parts. First part is used to activate electron, and second part of energy is used to provide kinetic energy. In this way, W total energy of photons is equal to W0 work function plus half mv square kinetic energy. Now nu 0 is the threshold frequency. Now we will discuss about threshold frequency. What is means of threshold frequency? Threshold frequency. Threshold frequency. Threshold frequency. Nu 0 threshold frequency. Threshold frequency. It is minimum value of frequency which require for any metal surface to just activate electron from that metal. It is minimum value of frequency which requires to activate electron from metal surface. That is known as a threshold frequency. It is minimum value of frequency which just require to activate electron from metal surface. That is a threshold frequency. That is known as a threshold frequency. Here, this one is the kinetic energy. This axis we can understand relation of kinetic energy and frequency of light with help of this graph. Kinetic energy, frequency of light. This one is the minimum value of frequency which required to activate electron from metal surface, and this value of frequency is known as a threshold frequency. Now, if frequency increases, then kinetic energy is also increases. If frequency increases, then kinetic energy is also increases. So it is a relation between kinetic energy and frequency of light. Threshold frequency, that is nu 0. Minimum value of frequency which required to activate electron from metal surface. Now, we will discuss about work function. Here, total energy of photons, total energy of light utilized in two parts on metal surface. First part is work function and second part is the kinetic energy. What is means of work function? Work function. work function, work function, work function. Work function is minimum amount of energy. It is a minimum amount of energy which require on metal surface to activate electron. It is a minimum value of energy which require to activate electrons from metal surface. That is known as a work function. And with respect to work function, minimum value of frequency of light is known as a threshold frequency. So W is equal to W0, W is equal to W0 plus half mv square kinetic energy. H nu is equal to H nu 0 plus half mv square, or half mv square is equal to H nu minus H nu 0. H nu 0. Now we will discuss one important thing related to photoelectric effect, that is stopping potential. Stopping potential. Stopping stopping potential. Stopping potential. It is defined as the minimum value of potential in a photoelectric effect to just stop flow of electricity is known as a stopping potential. Minimum value of potential in a photoelectric effect we just require to stop flow of electricity during photoelectric phenomena. That is a stopping potential. That is known as a stopping potential. Now we will solve some numerical problem which is based on this formula. Means is based on photoelectric effect. Dear students, please write down question. Please write down the minimum energy required to overcome the minimum energy the minimum energy required to overcome required to overcome the attractive force, attractive force between an electron and the surface of silver metal is 5.52 into 10 to the power minus 29 joule, 10 to the power minus 19 joule, 10 to the power minus 19 joule. What will be the minimum kinetic energy of electrons? What will be the minimum kinetic energy of what will be the maximum, not minimum, what will be the maximum kinetic energy of electrons ejected out from silver, which is being exposed to UV light of lambda is equal to 360 angstrom. Dear student, please write down this question. Dear student, write down solution of this question. Solution. Energy is equal to Hc upon lambda. E is equal to Hc upon lambda. Here H is the Planck constant. Dear student, write down solution of this question. E is equal to Hc upon lambda. H is the Planck constant, 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 27. Velocity of light is 3 into 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second, and lambda is given, that is lambda is 360 into 10 to the power minus 8, 360 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Now E is equal to 5.52 into 10 to the power minus 11 arc, and it will be equal to 5.52 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule. Now with help of formula, W is equal to W0 plus half mv square kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to h nu minus h nu 0. H nu is equal to, means work function is equal to 5.52 into 10 to the power minus 18 minus 5.52 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. It will be equal to 47.68 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. The kinetic energy is equal to 47.68 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule.